Alright guys, the bike is back. So again we've got Dan, who's the owner, coming, which is amazing. So the owner does all the work too. Sunday morning breakfast today is masala oats. So it's like tomato, chili, Indian spices with Quaker oats, and Karishma does it in the pan and obviously adds some water to it. So there's haldi, chili, parsley, chili powder, everything. Masala oats. I love this. Hi guys.
Hi everyone.
So we are at the bike and I was just showing Karishma. How do you like the box, Karishma?
It's nice. I love the fact that it's coordinated, and I'm sure it's going to be more comfortable and has more storage. So
Yeah. So this is the top box, guys, and as some of you who follow me on Instagram know that I bought it. I got a great discount with BMW. So this is the backrest, Karishma. So if you're sitting here,
is it cushioned?
you can, yeah, it's cushioned. You pay for it, but I paid for it to get, but the whole thing they gave me a discount. So you sit here, it's got a backrest, and then the box is big enough to hold like a helmet or something, you know. So this is how it opens, and it can open from the front also. No, not from the front, only the back.
Nice. Does it fit your helmet?
Yeah, this will fit one full-size helmet. How does it look?
Lovely, very sleek.
Yeah, so guys, this is the box and the servicing. I will share all the details in the video as well.
And Ryan, you were also mentioning that all of these three have the same key. So from
Yeah,
the logistics
that's
perspective,
that's a great point. They've synced up the key for the bike and the three
oh,
boxes.
the bike as well.
Yeah, the bike starts with the same key, or rather, it's a key fob, so it's automatic.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, so the panniers are locked and the bike is ready for travel. I also have the tank bag which I have to fix on. Yeah, so we've got a bird's nest above here. I usually park the bike behind there, but it's too dark, so I got it here because of the
better light.
Yeah. So we are going to go park the bike now and take the car grocery shopping. Where are we going? Acme.
Yeah, most likely. It's the...
Come.
Yeah.
So the wifey and I are just going for our Sunday groceries. I hope you guys like the pannier and top box. You know, big shout out to my BMW service people and the store at New Jersey, because Dan and Ben both gave me a very good discount. Otherwise, you know, I told them I'm not going to buy it without a discount. So they gave me at least like $200 off. Do you think that was worth it?
Any discount is worth it, I guess. So.
Yeah. So I think Karishma was anyways in the beginning telling me to buy it when I bought the bike, but I delayed it for whatever reason, to my own regret. So we were going to talk, Karishma, about the fact that why don't you ride on the bike with us? So Karishma has sat on my Harley Davidson in Mumbai once. We went for a ride from Andheri to town. Remember that?
Yep, of course.
Yeah. So that was a fun ride. We did like the coffee night ride with the Harley group. But in the US, she's not ridden with me, and you want to explain some part of it, and I can explain. also.
Yeah, I think it's more driven by safety first. So we don't want it to be a scenario where both Ryan and I are, on the bike, the kids are at home, and God forbid there's, any accident or any untoward incident. We don't have one adult back home with the children or someone in charge. So that's, I think, the key reason.
Yeah, so Mumbai, my parents were there, my brother was there, the kids were with them. But here, as parents, we always worry that, okay, we are both on the bike. What if, we have a small accident, we have some fracture or something, both of us are lying in hospital getting, attended to by doctors, and who's going to take care of the kids at home? So, as parents, I know it's a bit of an awkward topic, and talking about accident is not what I want to do on this channel. But it's a reality, right? So, Karishma and I have talked about it. She's more than sure of the way I ride and everything fine about the way I ride. But you never know, right?
Yeah, you have to be pragmatic about some of those things.
Yeah, so that's what we wanted to share with you guys, because I know some of you have commented about, why have we not ridden as a couple together somewhere. The first point is we don't leave the kids alone for too long. So now we are going for groceries. The kids are home because my son is big enough to look after both of them. But if we go on a ride for 4-5 hours or overnight, that's not going to happen. We don't have babysitter. We don't have nanny. Rishma's just gone into the grocery store. She has to pick up a few items for our weekly needs. And usually only one of us go in because of safety for the virus. So both of us don't go. And we take turns. But yeah, yesterday's trek was good, but my legs are paining. And please check out that video. I hope you like it. Today, Sunday is just chill. I may do a ride later, or maybe tomorrow, Monday, I may do a ride. So I'll do a motor vlog out of that. Alright. So hope you guys like the panniers, and the service was $300. Or $250 plus tax, and they changed the oils, they changed the filters, they did the whole bike check, they updated the bike computer system. So this was a 600-mile service, first service, and the next service is 6,000 miles. So 6,000 miles or 10,000 kilometers, whatever they say. So BMW service was not free, it was $300, but I do appreciate the discount on the top box. Hope you guys like the top box, and I will also insert a photograph of the service receipt on what all they've done. You can pause the video and have a look. Those who are bike fans can have a look at that. But for now, just waiting in the car with Karishma in the grocery store. I was thinking of taking a ride, but it's 16 degrees centigrade or something. So anyways, we are here, and Karishma's just come. Are they closed?
Yeah, they're closed.
Oh God.
I have to go to school tomorrow anyway, so I can do it tomorrow.
Oh, so we came for some FedEx, but I think it's closed. Anyways, heading back home now. So guys, just back in my garage, and we did our grocery shopping. I'm just focusing on the road here. Going to park the car, and hope I have enough content today for a nice video. But I hope you enjoyed the panniers and the top box. The bike is now completely ready for touring or whatever I want to do with it. The tank bag, the top box, everything. So I'm very happy with this whole bike decision and buying it, and hope to make some nice vlogs starting this week also on the moto vlogs. Yes, so back in my garage, and I'm going to sign out once I park the car. My Instagram is Ryan Woodman 75, so follow me on Instagram for a lot of updates, immediate updates. So here's the garage, and you will see the bike now with the lights on it, the car lights on it. Yes, that is the bike looking good in the parking. All right, guys, take care. Bye.